Fran, and today I'm going to be telling you the difference in between a bear market and a bull market. So what is a bull market? A bull market is when the stock market is up 20% or more in a certain period of time. And it usually happens when people are buying more stocks and the economy is strong and unemployment rates are low. So a bear market is just the complete opposite of a bull market. Stocks are down 20% or more, the economy is weak, and unemployment rates are high. Don't worry, bear markets are fine. Bear and bull markets are just the cycle of investing. It usually goes bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market over and over again. Kind of like how the seasons happen. It just happens. You can't change it. Why are bear and bull markets called that? Well, bulls, they attack with their horns thrusting upwards. Bears attack their prey by swiping down at it and whacking it. So that's kind of how you remember the name, bear and bull. They use the name off of how they attack. So the bear is down, the bull is up because of how they attack. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this with all your friends, and goodbye! This is where I disappear.